win it. That's how good he's been.
Yeah, it could go either way, I guess. And a lot of people will be watching.
That's exactly right. Everybody will be watching to see how Tiger does. Isn't it amazing how he can draw a crowd?
Yep.
Well, we'll draw a crowd today outside for lunch, picnics, sandwiches, beautiful spring weather. I want to show you last night's sunset because this is the precursor to what it will be like today. Last night we saw some magnificent colors as the sun was setting over the horizon, and that was the precursor to some clear skies overnight. Temperatures aren't quite as cold this morning as they were last morning, yesterday, and take a look at where we are today right now. 26 in Vernal, 24 in Price. We have a 33 in Grand Junction, 25 degrees Cedar City, and 26 in Ely. Elko is 29. The entire region enjoying some warmer weather. The colder spots you see here in the blue, you'd expect that. Up around Big Piney, it's in the teens this morning. I would think that you would likely, but you just start cold like that, and it's just one of those things you have to deal with in Wyoming. Now we have another storm system. It is spreading rain across Spokane, up into Kalispell, and also from up in Seattle down towards the Portland area. This is a storm system that is weak, but when the computer models are put together, and I did this for you this morning, there will be a weak cold front approaching, so that's part of the reason we'll see a light south wind. I wouldn't be surprised to see the western valleys pick up those winds 10 to maybe 20, 25 miles per hour, and that's why the high temperature today will be up to 61. But then this front will just dribble down across northern Utah. I'm expecting about a 30% chance for showers, so like I said before, enough to mess up a good car wash. Won't even reach southern Utah, so you won't see colder temperatures here, but you will see about 5 to 10 degrees of cooling across northern Utah. But this is brief because behind this big ridge of high pressure will build in over the weekend for some delightful weather. 58 in Vernal, 59 Roosevelt, and also in Price. Look for a 64-degree high temperature in Green River, 70 in Hanksville. Southern Utah's Dixie right up there around 74 degrees. We have a 63 in Richfield and a 58 in Manti. These temperatures are much, much warmer than what we had just a couple of days ago. St. George, in fact, will be going up from here. Because the front doesn't reach southern Utah, you go 74, 77, and then 78, 79 this weekend. I mean, if you have tee times this weekend, or if you're thinking about going to Snow Canyon National Park, or State Park, you want to go to Zion National Park or out to the Coral Pink Sand Dunes, boy, this weekend is going to be delightful. Then we have a storm system that will slide in on Monday and Tuesday to bring some showers. Nice day today. We'll call it sunny. Temperatures in the 60s. Next several days. That little disturbance comes by tomorrow. 30% chance for showers. Like I mentioned, just enough to mess up a good car wash. That's right, Scott, mess up a good car wash. He says he washed his car. So then 65 and 68 Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. With that weak weather front moving in, a slight chance for showers. It's not a big one. I don't see any big, huge storms like we had just the other day coming for the next little while. And the later we go into April and early May, the lower the chances are that we'll have a big dumping storm. In the meantime, let's enjoy this nice weather. How about it?
Yeah, and a lot of car washes do have that policy if it rains within either 24 or 48 hours, depends, but you just forget to hold on to that receipt and take it back.
Wash the car today, and then it rains tomorrow, go back and wash it again on Saturday.
Tony's looking at me like, what policy?
Yes, oh yes, they have that policy.
I'm trying to determine if he's serious or joking.
They don't publicize that much, but
it's a policy.
Yeah, a lot of them.
That way they get you out.